Classifications of computer. Computers can be classified as follows: according to function, according to purpose, according to capabilities. According to function. According to function, computers can be classified into 4 types. These classification of computers based on principles of operation and hardware structure: digital computer, analog computer, hybrid computer. Digital computer. A digital computer works with data in terms of discrete number or digit. These numbers are used to perform arithmetic calculations and also make logical decisions to reach a conclusion depending on the data they receive from the user. All the expressions are coded into binary digits inside the computer, and it manipulates them at very fast speed. Analog computer. Analog computers actually is a measuring device. An analog computer measures continuous type of data and use of physical quantities, such as electric current, speed, weight, etc. Analog computers are the first computers being developed and provide the base for the development of modern digital computers. These computers are mainly made of electrical devices like resistors, amplifiers and transistors. Hybrid computer. A hybrid computer is, which combines the analog and digital capabilities in the same computer system. Hybrid computers help the user to exploit the machine's ability to process both continuous and discrete data. These machines are generally used for scientific applications, and it is also used as a controlling device in an industrial process. According to purpose. Computer can be classified according to purpose in 2 ways: general purpose, special purpose. General purpose. These computers are designed to solve a wide variety of problems from different fields. The hardware and the software of such systems are adaptable to totally different environments. These computers are used for different purposes like inventory control, record keeping, accounting, payroll, etc. Special purpose. As the name suggests, these computer systems are used only for specific purposes or applications. These special-purpose computer systems may be defined as a stored program computer, whose architecture is oriented towards one or more specific applications. These computers handle the very narrow categories of data processing activities. Some examples of special-purpose computers with their area of application are as follows. Computer used for process control in an industry. Biomedical X-ray instruments used only for X-ray. ECG machine which is used for ECG test. CCG machine which is used for CCG test. Electronic digital blood pressure instrument. Computer system used for desktop publishing. Computer used for air traffic control. Computer system which is used in robots. According to capabilities. According to capabilities, computers could easily be classified into minis, micros, mainframes and super by considering their size, performance and cost. However, today these definitions are not so cut and dried, due to the ever-increasing pace of common usage altogether. The manufacturers are not helping by bringing out many terms such as mini, super minis and micro mainframes, etc. Microcomputer. This is quite simply the computer which uses a microprocessor is the name given to the very complex chip which contains most of the basic systems needed to set up a computer system using this single chip as the central processing unit. In the late 1970s, the first microcomputers were 8-bit machines, although some less useful 4-bit microprocessors were available earlier. This meant that their fundamental unit of data was 8 binary digits. Mini computer. Thin is a medium-sized computer and can vary in power from a very large and powerful micro to a small mainframes. Indeed, because of the increasing power of minis, mainframes market has shrunk considerably over the last few years. A mini computer is often a floor-standing model, although some modem ones now fit onto the top of your desk, but there is not much space left for the coffee pot. Mainframe computers. These are the largest of computer systems. They certainly will not fit on the top of your desk. It is common to have hundreds of simultaneous users on such a system. There is usually a vast amount of RAM, and any extra peripherals such as tape and disk machines. Supercomputers. They are the fastest and most expensive modern computer systems. They are usually not used for normal data processing, but for intense mathematical calculations such as forecasting the weather, or super high-resolution graphics such as ray-traced images. Nevertheless, for very large systems such as the customs clearance system in the port of a development country, all the government departments are linked to a supercomputer which is then able to produce all the necessary documentation for clearance in just a few minutes, compared to several days under the older manual systems. There are also many complex scientific and engineering applications which require enormous processing speed and power.